In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play The Sims 3 on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Running The Sims 3 on a Mac is extremely simple. This is because the EA app, where you can purchase and play The Sims 3, has been updated to natively work on Mac devices, so you don't have to go through additional downloads, do a lot of setup. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire the official EA app for Mac and how to download and play The Sims 3. So first, look for the EA app for Mac. You can either go to the official EA website and download it from here. So you will find the option to download the EA app, or you can simply look for the all-new EA app for Mac on Google. The download link will also be available here, so you can browse through games or just choose from the platforms available. Once you download the EA app for Mac, you can browse through the store and your library. So if you want to purchase a game directly through the EA app, you can go over to the home page, look for The Sims 3, and you will have the option to purchase. Or you can also browse through the official website, so at ea.com as well. You will find the option to select the platform, make sure that you choose EA app for Mac, continue to checkout, and you can sign into your EA account to purchase the game. Once the game has been purchased, when you are signed into your account inside of the EA app, you will find it available under your library. So choose Library, it will be available here under My Mac Games. You can choose The Sims 3, install it and play. Like I said, there's no secret to this. Thanks to EA updating the EA application and consequently The Sims 3, Mac users do not have to go through a lot of setup and a lot of additional steps in order to play their favorite games. They can just open the EA app designed for Mac devices and purchase and play the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to play The Sims 3 on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.